Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm going to answer a question that I just received. Can extreme heat or cold crack the glass in my window? Let's talk about that. If you have a dual pane glass unit, if it's very cold outside, then you can have where the interior of the two panes of glass gets pretty cold itself, right? You can have some contraction on the glass, and if it's really hot outside, then it can actually push inside here and push on the two panes of glass. The real main offender of having some glass crack on you, usually it's a new window. It's something that's been manufactured, it's been installed, maybe a few months, maybe even less, and all of a sudden you see this line kind of show up, like a little crack that goes from one end and goes across the entire window, and you're like,
that one's cracked.
And chances are, yeah, it probably is. And the reason you would see something like that is during handling, when the guy or girl, whoever was handling the glass to put it inside the window, may have actually produced what they call a shell. So it's a very thin little chip on the edge of the glass, right? So they put it down a little too hard and it chips. But when you put it in the window frame, it's covered because the window frame is actually covering up to about here, but the chip is down here below my thumb. Whenever it goes through QC, they look at the window, okay, everything looks good. They go on to the next. Then it gets installed in your house and you have a hot day, right? And it's pushing on the glass and all of a sudden you see this little stress crack show up. To answer that question, the answer is, yeah, it can, as long as you have some kind of a weak spot on the glass edge. Either the interior, exterior, doesn't matter. It just matters, is there a weak spot on the glass? If it's perfectly cut all the way around, chances are, yeah, it's not gonna have any weaknesses to where it can create that stress crack. If you also have a single piece of glass and you see something like that happen, usually it's because something hit it. A little rock flung up and hit the edge of it, but all of a sudden, a week later, you start to see a line show up, and that's because the heat or the cold or something is starting to crack that glass. It's the same thing as getting a rock kicked up and hits your windshield on your car. You know, it starts off super small and then all of a sudden, you know, day after day after day, you just watch it travel further and further, right? Same idea. Hopefully that answers your question. Easy one today, but just wanted to, you know, educate a little bit, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.